Okay, so you guys know that you're supposed to copy and paste what you do each day in your class notebook, and you are supposed to date it every day. So let's go. Here we are in our team, and in general, because there are these breakers, make sure you're in general. You should see class notebook. And then you would see, I see everybody's, but you would see your, let's say, your Cameron or your Chris or Elise. You would see your name, and you would have two things, class notes and handouts. Remember that you're supposed to put all your notes in class notes. I'm going to go into Content Library to show this. This is, things get pretty cluttered after a while when you keep on adding more and more stuff onto the page. And so I want you to add a page. And you see at the bottom here it says plus page. This is how I add a new page. Let's suppose I was in my content library and I click on here. This is I think it was the beginning, Unit 1, the first stuff we did with the math and just getting used to stuff. Once again, you can see that plus page is down here. And if I hit plus page, it added this untitled page. All right, so it added a new page. I think you can like pull it down and put it at the bottom. All right, yeah, you can move it around wherever you want it to. Pull, drag it, whatever. Whatever you type here, is going to be the title of the page. So this is add page, showing how to do this. But notice, once I clicked into the white space, the option to add a page went away. So you might be like, how do I add a page? I don't see it there. Click back on this arrow, and it should be here. If not, you might just click back on wherever you said class notes over in this column. If you click on that, this should pop up plus page. It might be somewhere else. On your screen, it might be up at the top. It could be over on the right-hand side or the right-hand side on the bottom, but it should be there. Last thing, and you guys should get used to this. If you're having trouble adding a page or doing anything else with the technology that we're doing, there's this thing called Google. You get in and you type how to add page in Microsoft Teams. And that's how people figure things out these days. So keep that in mind. You can always Google a question, and getting good at asking the right questions is a big part of today's sort of 21st century skills.